And no message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make that change. Hey, na 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 na. Whoa, I'm in a victim of a certain kind. Yo, my people, what up? For the one time, it's your boy Sneaker Life back with another video, man. I hope you had a really nice Christmas. For the one time, if you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up. If you didn't have a good Christmas, make sure to hit that thumbs up anyway, because don't try to ruin my Christmas just because you didn't have a good Christmas. I got this random package in right now, and I wanted to get my for real reaction because I want to see what's up. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, babe. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Ooh. Basically, to my surprise, it says FedEx overnight, origin Nike. I don't know nobody at Nike. Just saying, I don't. I really don't know anyone at Nike. Can you dig it? Yes, sir. I know who sent me these. Shout out to Matthew. Bodega. Blessings, bro. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Brother. Okay, guys. So, if you live under a rock and you didn't know, Bodega is actually, can you still hear me? Check, check, mic 1, 2. Bodega's releasing on Monday SBs. Now, I ain't gonna hold you. The last pair of SBs I had was the waffles. Now, Budish is the one who got me into SBs because before I always thought they looked kind of weird on my feet, but he really influenced me. Y'all know Budish, Pound Cake, Young Steez. He really got me into these. And when I saw these, bro, they're tough. SB always kills it. Obviously, SB has surfaced again and it's like super hype and blah, blah. I sold on my SBs. So y'all know I ain't really too crazy on that hype stuff. I love the collabs they do. And I think out of all like sneakers, SB does it the best. Like the collabs are insane. The details are insane. And I understand why people love it so much. And then I would say second would be Air Force's amazing collab. There's just so many fire shoes that SB has dropped. So I am geeked to see these. Look at this packaging. And I'm not sure, I doubt this is like a limited edition box or anything like that. I'm assuming this is the box it's going to come in, and I'll definitely bring you guys a review, but I just wanted to see these, yes. So I did know these were coming. They actually hit me up, which is so fire. I shop a lot on Bodega, so for them to even hit me up, they actually sent me a DM one day asking for my address and stuff. I am blown away, like, dude, this is amazing. And I'm so grateful for all this stuff, man, because literally I'm just your normal dude, loves sneakers, and I make videos about it. And to get seated though, woo-wee! Comes with this cool little card giving you a little bit of insight. Cool stickers. Look, he looks like a magnet. Oh no, that's a sticker. Dunk. Man, this is cool, bro. I love when shoes come with like packaging and then like little accessories, man. These go a long way, you know, especially with retail prices going up more. I think it's always crazy that like SBs run from like $100 to 120 and you get like fire stuff with it sometimes, or even just amazing quality. And then you have like Jordans that run like $225 and the packaging isn't even that cool. Y'all need to work on that, but I think I get it. I think it might come down to like a royalty thing. I don't know. Sheesh. So, I wonder how long it took them to do production for all these. Crack these bad boys open. You got the cool Nike Bodega paper. And I'm gonna give you guys a full, like, you know, nice breakdown, but this is just my first initial thoughts on these things. They release on Monday. Retail's gonna be $120. I think the release is at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I'll put info down below just to be corrected. This is going to be a quick strike. And no cap, bro. I have went all year. I wake up every Saturday, go on sneakers, and try to get an SB. Haven't hit one time. These are dope. Timeless. I think that was definitely their concept behind these, is just almost the concept of forever. They will never run out of style with these. Supposedly it represents kind of like an old saddle or a glove, like old school glove. America. You know what I'm saying? But sheesh. This is dope. Dang, peep the details in 4K on your head top. Sweet, like even peep this Bodega embossed. Quit playing, man. Nice leather tongue. Dude, the quality on these is stupid. And the tongue tag, you got that Nike Bodega. How cool as a business, man. Oh, one day I could collab with Nike and do like some sneaker life shoe. Wouldn't that be fire? I could dream, can I don't know why they would do it with me, but hey, I can dream. I'm just about to use Nike ID and make me some customs. So we got some extra laces. I'm assuming is what these bad boys are. Cool. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. Like I said, $120 retail, and you always get super cool accessories with the things. Like, bro. Nike Bodega on the handkerchief, bro. What an amazing way to complete this. And supposedly, can you dig it? Oh, bro. Low key. Should this be the thumbnail? Hey, man, don't be playing with me. I ain't on no gang life neither. They should have went with like black or something. Red is a little too... I don't be wearing colors like that just because people try to press you for no reason. But you know what I'm saying? A little thumbnail for the one time. Go ahead, go. Go, shawty. It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. We gonna sip a Cardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up because it's your birthday. Find me in the club with my Bodega SBs on. It's like, oh man, bro. These are beautiful. Now, word on the street is if you are able to cop these, you have a chance to be entered to win their friends and family pair, which is very tough too. Like it's basically almost all this color. They're tough, man. If you haven't seen an image, I'm gonna throw it up on the screen. But wow, Bodega, thank you for sending me. I don't know where these are going. Straight on feet. I don't know why, I'm always in a singing mood. Should we bust a little rap? Yeah. So I went down to check the mail. Opened up my box and screamed bloody hell. Oh, to my surprise, Bodega sent me some shoes. Now I'm shocked I got big eyes. Yeah, we even got a cool little pocket all up in the tongue. Is that a pocket for real? Ooh I'm about to put 100 mil on my toes. Don't run up on me. It's like I'm garbage, bro. No mixtape coming soon. Low key, I can rap. Don't try to play me. These bad boys tight. Make sure you watch all the ads, man. Do me a favor. Sheesh, these go with my fit right now. The one thing that I will say about SBs, I mean, same concept with Jordan 1s, bro. The lacing is just always so, like, you obviously gotta adjust it to how you want it, but I can't stand the way they do Jordan 1s now. Even though I was like the old school way, where you gotta lace it up, but I get it, because everybody's foot's different, so you can't really have that default lacing. You kind of just do it how you want it, but it's still annoying, right? Like you get a brand new pair, and you trying to like step out, which obviously none of us are stepping out these days, but you're like, damn, now I gotta lace these things up. Okay, so the struggle is real on these bad boys. I got a wide foot. There we go. There's a trick to it. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Quality, brother. Quality. So yeah, man, stay tuned for the review of these. These are dope. Huge thank you to Bodega. Blessings on blessings on blessings. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's your boy Sneaker Life for one. Type running.
House pink game, something mad, yes, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab addict. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, bitch, I'm in the building. Look.